Welcome to my channel. We're going to take a little tour around Beijing again, check out some restaurants. Now today we're going to go to a Chinese restaurant. This is a Muslim Chinese restaurant. They specialize in Langzhou style noodle, beef noodle, some barbecue, and just some regular Chinese dishes. But today we're going to eat some barbecue and the beef noodle. This is the behind the scenes of our chefs. They're twisting the dough into making it little noodles. So let's check him out, see his artistic style of this. Watch him work, stretching the noodles, slinging it, putting a little piece of bam, right into the pot. Bam, right into the pot. Now this is a fantastic artistry of both chef and art style. Look at a yogurt dessert. I can't wait to eat this, so I'm going to go ahead and eat this yogurt first off. I must inform you that this is during the coronavirus. Normally I wouldn't wear a mask outside, but due to COVID-19, I have to wear a mask around. If you don't really wear a mask around here, somebody will tell on you or say something to you. I've been caught like that before. But this has blueberries and nuts and honey in it. I'm not really sure if this is goat or cow. I presume this is goat yogurt. Now this is soybean noodles, some green beans, seaweed. It's like a little salad dish, you would say. Has mushrooms and carrots in it. This is a pretty good dish. Now we're going to look at the barbecue. Now this is stick skewers, and it's cooked over charcoal. This is goat, different types of Chinese spices, cumin, stuff like that. It's really good. Barbecue is one of my favorite dishes here. If you ever visit China, you have to stop and eat barbecue somewhere. It is a different style than Western barbecue, but it's still delicious. This is the beef noodles.
You put spicy in?
It has onions, Langzhou style noodles, as I said. Comes in a soup. There are also dry noodles around China, but I really prefer the soup noodles.
That big noodle? Okay. Okay.
So it's like chives and onions and different spices. And you can make this as spicy as you want. It also has some red peppers in it to spice it up some.
I thought it said vegan. It's okay.
Really is one of my favorite dishes here in China. You know, this is something you'll never get back in the US. I mean, our traditional Chinese places are more Hong Kong, Cantonese style food. We don't get too many authentic Chinese restaurants here. My wife's gonna use vinegar on hers. I'll put a little bit of vinegar in mine. It just really helps with the flavor. It's pretty good to add this brown vinegar to it.
Yeah. Fasting good?
I'm not fasting.
Yes, you are. You are intermittent fasting. What do you mean, no?
Now you can find this Muslim noodle place up near the hospital on line 10 on the northwest corner.
We fast.
Not really sure the street or anything. I'll have to leave it in a description below. But you can really find any restaurant that serves beef noodles, Langzhou style noodles, and pretty much everyone I've gone to has been delicious. I never have a complaint in any of these places. I like to make mine super spicy. Yummy. Spicy. And I do enjoy drinking the soup part of it. Now in the past I mostly do Western food and restaurants like that, but I do like a selection of Chinese restaurants too. And if you're a visitor here, I'm going to go to more restaurants and we'll display some of the different types of foods. We'll try and get over to Beijing, which is Ghost Street. It's a very famous spicy food restaurant street and has really old style, authentic Chinese food. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to see my other videos, hit the subscribe button below, and thanks for viewing my channel.